The golden ratio in cocktails is basically a surefire way to make a perfect drink every time. Or is it? Today we're going to be testing it using randomly generated ingredients. We will be using 2 parts of a strong or a spirit, 1 part sour and 1 part sweet, but the computer will be spinning a wheel, picking a random ingredient of the ones that we've chosen, and then we're gonna try it together. That being said, we're going to do the first roll now. What's our first spirit? My wife is doing it. Oh, I like that it has the sound with it, that's fun.
Mm-hmm. Jamaican rum.
Jamaican rum, okay. So we are going to go with Appleton Estate Signature. What's our sour gonna be?
Lime juice.
Good, okay. This is gonna be perfect, whatever this is. This is rum and lime juice. Whatever the sweetener is, I'm ready for anything. Why are you smiling, bro?
Cream of coconut.
Yeah, okay. Coconut daiquiri, bro. This is gonna be sick. This is, I promise, on my mama life, we did not like cycle through and try to get good things. Verify.
That was our first spin.
That was our first spin of each of those ingredients.
And I can testify because if he left the full recording, he would see me struggle. You would all see me struggle.
2 ounces of Jamaican rum, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of cream of coconut. I've seen a lot of people do like this fun shake with only one thing, and they're like looking all like mysterious and stuff. I want to try it. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't got it. Okay. Now you're gonna strain it into your coupe. Yeah, dude. Let me be clear. We're not going to try to fake any of the spins. We're gonna make exactly what it says. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe if it gives us an ingredient we've already used, respin, just so it's different. But I'm not going to be searching for something good. Like, we got very lucky with this one. Okay, aged coconut daiquiri. Wonderfully tart. The coconut is pretty weak, but this is a homemade one, and I went a little bit soft on the coconut extract. So I think if I used 1/4 ounce instead of 1 teaspoon, that would probably do it. But what does wife think? That's really the important part here.
That's the important question is...
Get that good clean look.
My hand's so shaky.
Go ahead. Maybe you could put down the laptop. Just a thought.
It's balancing me.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. What?
It's sour. Your sour meter's off, dude. Other than that, the flavor is really good. I like the flavor of the coconut and the rum together. Coconut rum. It's like a match made in heaven, huh?
And lime. That's the ideal perfect cocktail. We got very lucky with that one.
That was very yummy. I think it needs some more sweet though.
This is 1.5 parts allulose, because I found that when you add that amount to a liquid, it doubles its volume. I guess you could go further on it, but obviously it's gonna give you more calories and stuff. I will give you the calorie information on the screen and in the description for the recipes for each thing that we're showing, but I guess that one could use more sweetness. A lot of people like a tartar daiquiri anyway, so I think anyone that tried that's like a tiki rum drinker, they would be like, yeah, that's really good. So we're rolling again. Let's see what it gives us this time.
You got Jack Daniels.
Okay. I'm not gonna like this one, but my wife might, so let's see. All right, spin for our sour, please. Okay.
Lime juice.
Lime juice, all right, let's spin it again. So I'm gonna leave that in the video to show that we're not lying. If we're gonna have an ingredient come up again, I wanna respin, okay? Whatever, sue me. No, don't sue me. This is our channel. You have no power over us. Lime juice.
Lemon juice.
Okay, I have to fresh squeeze this one. Lemon.
Vanilla syrup.
Ooh, like a nice little like bourbon lemonade kind of thing. This sounds kind of good. 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of vanilla syrup, and 2 ounces of Jack Daniels. Shake for 10 seconds. Throw it in there. This is a man drink. It's a man drink.
With the ice in there?
Yeah.
This feels disrespectful. Take that lemon out, dude.
This has a function though. The function is that all of the squeezed lemon peel has released its oil, and now the oil is sitting in there, so it's gonna get more of the lemon flavor. I thought about it. It wasn't just going man mode. Okay. That only tastes like vanilla. No, it kind of tastes like chocolatey. It kind of tastes like chocolate. Try that right now, dude. That is phenomenal. I love that.
You like this?
The wood notes from the Jack Daniels, just like the way it plays with the vanilla.
Can I be so real with you?
You don't like it at all?
It smells like lemon with baby formula.
Baby formula? To me, I only taste like vanilla, and then there's just this weird kind of chocolatey thing.
To me, I just taste vanilla and wood.
Are you kidding me?
Damn thing's so real, dude. I don't like that.
What would your number be?
3.
3? That's great. That's an 8 for me. That's an 8 for me.
That's so crazy. You and I have such very different taste buds because I'm like, that is not good.
But we also are different genders, which is good. So the men might like this, and
yeah, the boys might like the boy garnish and the boy drink.
Yeah, this is a very boy drink, but
boy drink.
Pause.
There is
I don't like whiskey. I like that. So
there is a person out there somewhere like you.
Which means that there's whiskey people out there that will be like, this sucks. But there's someone who doesn't like whiskey that will drink that and like it. And that person's me. We're putting these away.
Polarizing drink. What
is our strong gonna be, wife? I kind of hope it's like Ancho Reyes.
Fireball.
Fireball? Okay. Okay, Fireball. Right. Next is our sour component.
Apple juice plus acid.
This might have like kind of an apple pie type thing to it. Our sweetener is gonna decide it now.
Honey syrup.
This sounds like it could be good, man. Here's the one thing I am gonna say, just for my wife's sake, I am gonna bring over simple syrup because this honey syrup is 1-to-1, which means it's equal parts honey to water, which means it is not that sweet of a syrup. Like if you had a proper 3-to-1 honey syrup, this would turn out a lot better. And also, this is unfortunately not a spirit. It is because it is under 40%, so it's technically a whiskey liqueur. 2 ounces of Fireball. Something you should never say. This can be cursed. 1 ounce of 1 ounce of acid adjusted apple juice. 1 ounce of honey syrup.
We're taking it back.
Kinda.
Do you think they hired Pitbull to sing Fireball?
Oh, make a song about saying Fireball?
Fireball.
Maybe. Kinda wanna do this. This is where we're at. Look at that wash line. That is so good. That is so good.
You like it?
That is so good. If my wife tries it like it is right now, she's not gonna like it. I like more tart things, so I loved it. I'm doing 1/2 ounce of simple syrup.
It smells good.
Do we still got our wash line? Woohoo! Literal actual magic, dude. That is so good.
Fireball.
If you don't like this one, I think you're actually wrong.
It does have like an apple pie quality.
Yeah, dude.
But also part of it tastes like rice.
I don't know how to explain that one, but
it feels like something you would serve on during the holidays.
Yeah, the apple is very quiet. I feel like there's a lot of robust caramelized sweetness from the honey. The Fireball itself is pretty like spiced with the actual cinnamon flavor. So I think if you were going to make this as like a casual sipper, maybe you should split it with a light spirit, like a vodka or a rum or something, because I feel like it's a little bit too much cinnamon.
I actually really like cinnamon.
I don't think the apple's coming through enough, and I wish I had more apple.
You just need more apple. But I think
But then it would be on balance.
Whatever. I think this is very good. I could see this being served at like a Thanksgiving or even like a Christmas party.
Yes. Like in a big punch bowl.
Yeah, a big punch bowl. Or like one of those like, like I could see a bunch of Starbucks girlies during their pumpkin spice season going apple picking and pumpkin patch picking and eating corn and stuff and having this like, they're like, oh, it's too cold for Marg season. Let's warm up with some Fireball.
And I do appreciate that the glass is like dainty and cute and stuff. It's like, it's a vibe.
This is very good. I love it.
Yeah, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Love it.
Yeah.
And I would love to know the calories of that because a skinny queen would tear that up.
It's really bad because there's no way to make a low calorie honey syrup unless it like they have like imitation honey. I'm not gonna drink that.
No,
I don't trust that.
It's your chance to be. I'm gonna be bad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be bad. And
yeah, this is certainly not a light drink. This, like, technically this doesn't fit our channel because this is gonna be over 200 calories. It's gonna be on the screen because I haven't done the math yet, but like we said, this is a liqueur, so it has a fairly significant amount of sugar.
The fall time isn't free to be skinny. Everybody's getting fat fall and winter.
For the winter, so they can prepare.
So yeah, so that's your time to build up some blubber. Drink as much as you want.
Anyway, so what did we learn? I think that depending on your sweetener, they were generally pretty balanced, I would say. I think this one needed simple syrup because if you had a more honey to water honey syrup, then that would have been better. Overall, I think they were pretty fairly balanced. We got very, very lucky with the rolls that we got. We got just flavors that just worked, like apple pie flavor. Which one do you like the most?
That one.
Okay, here. If you got value out of this video, please subscribe over here. You can also watch this video that YouTube thinks you might like better. And as always, salud.
Salud.